Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mera Vook. Another video from Rajasthan trip series is about famous Junagarh Fort. It's a huge fort as there are 37 palaces along with a lot of pavilions and temples. The palaces are preserved as museums and provides insight into the grandiose living style of past kings. Inside this fort, you're gonna be seeing doors made out of walnut wooden, royal thrones made out of silver and mahal or palace with real gold embellishments. Isn't it super interesting? A lot of Bollywood movies like Manikarnika, Khoobsurat and Drona shooting had been done here at the Junagarh Fort. So it's pretty famous fort. The best thing is you need not to hire a personal guide. There will be a person guiding the entire group. He takes people inside the fort in every 30 minutes. So let's enjoy the tour.